Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick System. Now obviously pick Date and Time. And you have several options. You can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off. So just tap on this icon. And now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So let me change it. You can pick whichever date you want to and also the hour and then tap on OK. You can also have an automatic time zone or you can turn it off over here and now you can pick the time zone. So just click on select time zone and now you can pick the one that you would like to have. As you can see, there's plenty of them, so you will definitely find something suitable. And finally, you can either have an automatic 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and then have just 12-hour format clock. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, you just can click on those icons to have automatic date and time, automatic time zone and also 24-hour format clock back. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.